Welcome to Taste of Tea, a week-long fair of everything matcha and artisanal tea right here in the heart of Bangkok. For 7 days, this mall is transforming into a vibrant tea village, bringing together some of Thailand's most passionate matcha specialists and suppliers to handcrafted accessories, artisanal drinks, ice cream, and matcha-inspired bakeries. Today we're going behind the counters and into the stories of the young entrepreneurs who built these brands. We will explore their journeys, their challenges, and the quiet rituals that inspire them to create something of their own. Whether you're dreaming of opening a matcha specialty shop or crafting your first cafe menu, I hope these real-life conversations spark new ideas and give you the confidence to take your next step. And we are here at Mente Matcha. สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
So my name is Riza. I am the host of Chao Coffee and Tea on YouTube. And please, can you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Okay, so hello, my name is Franz and I'm at the store called Mente Matcha.
Okay, now Mente Matcha originally started as a cafe or a shop?
First of all, we just cafe before since 2014.
Okay.
Until like maybe last 3 or 4 years, we just start our brand called Mente Matcha. We sell matcha and also other coffee and some tea.
Oh, okay. And now you're focusing more on selling products?
Yes, we're focusing more because on that time we also like put matcha as a signature of our store.
Okay.
So, but on that time that we just have no experience, so we just just a beginner and start to find out.
Okay. Now, how did this journey start? If you can tell us your story from the beginning up to now, please share with the viewers out there who might be planning something about matcha, and then what is the journey like?
First, like we used about 3 years to find. Since 2014, right? We use about 3 years to find out what is the best matcha for our store. We find a lot, we use a lot, and also in the third year, we just know someone that she's come from Japan and come to Thailand, and she know my dad and my mom, and so she just talk about that she can take us and import some matcha from there. So we just want to know about that and try to. Like, you know, we just want to the traditional and the good quality of matcha. So we just import them and selling in them not just a high price, but that time it's just a high price, like 70 or 80 on that time. And also that's
70,
what
80
baht.
Okay.
Per cup.
Per cup. Okay.
Yes.
So that's about $3 US,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yeah. And then after that we try to find out like the higher grade of the matcha and just want to try to sell them to the customer. So we just know ceremonial grade for like maybe 4 or 5 years ago. So after that, so we just selling only import matcha from the Japan.
Okay. What matcha cultivars and regions have you tried from Japan?
First of all, I tried from Nishio Aichi. Yes, and that is my matcha is Yabukita blend with Saimuderi.
Okay.
Yes. So it just like have like a sweetness, aroma, and the color is deep green.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the first matcha that I have tried.
Okay. And so after that, tell us
After
more.
that, we just go to Uchi, Tokyo, and also in the Kyoto region. And after that, last time we go to Fukuoka and went to Yami.
Of all the matcha that you have tried in the regions, what's your favorite?
My favorite, I think, was like from Nishio Aichi. Yeah.
Nishio Aichi. So for those that do not know, it's very close to Nagoya.
Yes,
Kyoto,
Nagoya,
right?
yes.
Yeah, close to Nagoya. So each different parts of Japan will have different characteristics, right? So tell us the character of your Nishio matcha.
From mine is like a floral taste and have an aroma, and it's good for pure, no bitterness and astringent.
Okay.
So I think it's the best matcha that I have tried.
What do you think is the most common misconception about matcha?
I think right now, I think it's about the price.
Okay.
Like many people just asking like why the matcha price going higher. But yeah, we all know that the matcha that in the ceremonial gate can harvest just only one time for a year, or maybe few times, or mostly just only one time. And if each year the weather change, the climate change, the harvest will go lower and the price will go higher.
Right.
That I think what the people misunderstanding about matcha.
Yeah, it is true that the more expensive the matcha, the better the quality. Is that correct?
I think no. I
No?
think
Okay.
maybe
Good.
it depends on like where you go to find it and buy it.
Yeah.
And some small farmer can have a high quality matcha and sell in a low price, but people don't know where to get it.
Okay, do you know? Tell me,
don't
okay?
know.
You don't have to tell them.
I just want to know also.
You want to know? Me too. But yes, the price of matcha have gone up so high, like it's almost doubled over just a matter of 2 years. Now, Mente Matcha, where did you get the name from?
It's just my dad name, my father name. yes.
Okay, okay.
So he just used his name to define his store, and also I just find out the name that it's kind of like a, how would I say, like
It's a Japanese word, or?
it in Japanese word it means like the face of the good thing or something like that. So
Oh, it's a
that's why.
good place.
Yeah.
That's a good place. So tell us what you have here. I'm actually attracted to this booth here because they have so many nice things. I really appreciate your taste. Tell us more about it.
So like on our store, like we just import from the Japan. Like every chawan, we just order directly from the Japan also, that we can stamp on like Hanko stamp on our chawan by ourselves. And also like this one, and also this one is like a handmade one. We can ask them to create by themselves. Like we just want like some like a Fuji concept. So the chawan we have like a Fuji, like this one.
Wow. That looks so good.
Then like fireworks, so they just put like into the concept. And also we have a chasen that we just walking around Nara and Takayama and just find out that, not just find out, we ask someone to do it for us, like it's gonna have a higher price. And also like we just, I would say like idea, like reference from some brand that they have put the
charm.
charm in
It is getting more popular now, although
yes, they're getting more popular, but we gonna say that the quality of that one is the best. I think
Okay.
for me, like we have used one of them before, and we just, I think we for about 3,000 cup already.
wow.
Yeah.
For this kind of the Takayama
Yes.
chasen.
I think at Takayama is the best place
best.
that doing the chasen. Our matcha from Aichi Nishio, this one we have two grades, is the ceremonial grade and the premium grade. And also we try to find the best premium grade, that we know that on the premium grade mostly are bitterness and astringency.
Astringency, yes.
But we try to find the less and have a very
Sweeter.
few of bitterness and astringency.
Okay.
Yes, and also
It's got a good variety here.
yeah, we have a variety brand of matcha. Like people like it, or maybe people never see it. We just buy and try to, like, you know, like sometimes we go to the matcha store and we just want to, we will find nutty and seaweed mostly,
Right. Yeah.
but we never find like many tastes of the matcha. So we just want people to, this one have a different taste, this one have different taste, and we try to sell of many type of matcha.
Okay, where'd you get your Torigate?
This one I got, I'm not sure, but I think when I go to Osaka, I got this one.
Okay.
And also this cutie dolls is,
Right. So all of these, there can be like up to $100 US, and then these are about at 50, at least 50 US, right?
yes.
But yes, I can say that Takayama chasen are the best. 3,000 cups, you can use it, but you have to
Yes.
use it properly, right?
Yes,
Any
use
tip?
properly. Yeah. Just, just chasen it, just only hot water. Don't
Yeah.
put in the dishwasher or using the liquid dishwasher
Oh, okay.
to wash it. Just only hot water and keep in the
Keep it in the stand.
yeah in the
stand.
charge and stand.
Yes,
Yeah.
stand.
I think I have the one that this one. We have used for like 3,600 cup before.
Oh wow. What do you think is the future of matcha in Thailand?
I think for me, I think matcha can be adapt into the good for your health.
Okay.
Many like I would say like health trend in Thailand right now is going upper and I think matcha can be included in that things because like I would say like coffee or some people take coffee and got the caffeine but the caffeine from coffee going so fast.
Right.
But for matcha it's like slowly to intake or absorb. So I think matcha will be better for someone that want to intake caffeine but not like coffee take and it going
You crash, right?
yeah.
Now, I mean, in your opinion, because I mean, you've been here in this industry for now 11 years. Do you think there will be a saturation point?
Right now it's going to be constantly right now.
Okay.
Not going too much down and not going too much up.
Right.
Because like depends on the price of matcha on many things like climate, weather that can affect to the price of the matcha, the volume of the matcha that can be sold out from the Japan.
Okay, so here is a man who started with a cafe and decided to just focus on having pop-ups and also selling good quality items that are used for matcha, something new. And so I wish you all the best, and I thank you for giving us the opportunity to talk to you, talk to our viewers, find out about your story, and hopefully get inspired by what you have told us today.
You can follow me on Instagram called mente.matcha on Instagram. So please join us that we can have some conversation that about matcha and we can grow together.
Great. So we will also put the link in the description box below. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much. ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you for watching. Bye. Ciao for now.